Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Bask Bank. Now, I know you've probably seen their ads, and you might be wondering if they're legit. Well, that's exactly what we're going to find out in this video. But before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's take a step back and talk about why it's important to choose the right bank. After all, your money is hard-earned, and you want to make sure it's in good hands. So, what are some of the things you should look for when choosing a bank? Well, here are a few key factors. Safety and security. Is your money FDIC insured? This means that if the bank fails, your money is protected up to a certain amount. Interest rates. How much interest does the bank pay on your savings? This is important because it can help your money grow over time. Fees. Does the bank charge any fees for things like checking accounts, ATM withdrawals, or online banking? Customer service. How easy is it to get in touch with the bank if you have a question or problem? Features. What features does the bank offer, such as mobile banking, online banking, and credit cards? Now that we've covered the basics, let's take a closer look at Bask Bank. Bask Bank is a relatively new bank that was founded in 2019. They offer a variety of banking products, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and CDs. They also have a partnership with American Airlines, which allows customers to earn AAdvantage miles when they use their Bask Bank debit card. So, is Bask Bank a good choice for you? Well, that depends on your individual needs and preferences. But here are a few things to keep in mind. Safety and security. Bask Bank is FDIC insured, so your money is safe up to $250,000. Interest rates. Bask Bank offers competitive interest rates on their savings accounts and CDs. Fees. Bask Bank does not charge any monthly fees for their checking accounts or savings accounts. Customer service. Bask Bank has received mixed reviews for their customer service. Some customers have reported good experiences, while others have reported long wait times and unhelpful representatives. Features. Bask Bank offers a variety of features, including mobile banking, online banking, and credit cards. Overall, Bask Bank is a relatively new bank with a lot to offer. They have competitive interest rates, no monthly fees, and a variety of features. However, their customer service could be improved. So, is Bask Bank trustworthy? Well, I think that's a question that only you can answer. But I would encourage you to do your research and read reviews from other customers before making a decision. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.